Hello. Hi, everyone. Okay, perfect. Hi, everyone. Oh, wait. Why do I get feedback? Oh, man. Give me a second. I hear myself. So, Let me fix that. Okay. Does that work? All right. Test. Okay. Perfect. That seems to work. Sorry everyone, and welcome back to the stream. Yeah, today we are working on some Java stuff. Oh, I should probably update that stuff, but anyway. Yeah, welcome to everyone in the world, and Jacob, aka the Zeta Prince, is streaming as well. So I'm listening to him in the background, and maybe I will switch over to it from time to time to help him out or whatever, discuss some things. Sometimes I have weird mouse issues, but I think we are good to go. So I just realized that I might have not pushed something to the branch, which happens quite often lately, because it's formatting stuff. Yeah, this is so bad. So I didn't push this. This is really bad. Can I restore the branch? And I also realized that why does it have two things? Let us check. Type view. Okay. So yes. Okay. Some merge conflicts. Accept current change. Looks reasonable to me. Then we can do this. And I also realized that inside scaling, let me, where do I do this? So when, I think it's in compute transform transition stuff. That's, yeah, here I want to have get interpolation. I'm fixing two things in the same commit, which is bad. But what can you do? Yeah. So what I want to do today is doing some morphing stuff. Maybe some bug fixes on the way. And also some, last time we created some noise picture, which I want to update. But yeah, feel also, as always, free to. The destroyer of the streams has arrived. Perfect. Yeah, I will also start kind of a new animation project today, with hopefully some help of the chats, by creating an end animation for this screen, and it should show like in my audience, from the block, from the stream, moving randomly around, some Patreons supporting me and getting something in return, and everything animated. I don't know. It's just a random thought. So we will see how far we can go with that one. What is wrong with this mouse? So strange. Okay. But yeah, anyway, let's push this one. Hope that it runs through all the test cases. And yeah, because as mentioned before, I forgot to push something because formatting takes a long time and then I just forget it, which is quite bad. Compare pull request. So yes, probably there was no change. Hopefully we will see. Oh, you can't see this. This is so bad. Why is everything... Okay, what do we do? Yeah, kind of works, but it's not the best idea. My mouse is really broken. Oh, come on. Well, I don't know whether my mouse is broken, but I think I have to make myself just a tiny bit smaller to fix everything up. Okay, we will see whether I yes, or yes, not really. Okay. Okay. So scaling work. Yeah. Good to push set you because formatting took a while and I just forgot to push. Therefore, this is in addition to this one, and it also implement 951. Let's hope all tests pass. Okay, and I will also An expected error appears. That's weird. It should be an unexpected error, right? Uh, oh, okay. That's I didn't expect an error initially when ordering. Yeah. Okay, I see. We can also fix that. What happened here? Okay, let's make this big for a bit. Yeah, I see your stream a little bit. So you did a mention or something? Or did you just include this? I have no idea. By the way, the people can't hear me. I think. And everything is black. That's weird. Okay. Let me tweet that I'm streaming again. Streaming again on Javis.jl. Doing some like this one. Where is my code? Wait, where is? Okay. So I wanted to show in the yeah, I wanted to show this one, so I have to get this from this. I wanted to post that. Oh, you can still see that. Just wanted to put it into the tweets. Twitch dots. Okay. All right. I am back. So, did you want me to have another look at your pull request? No, right? I think you just mentioned it. I think the notification is done. Please tell me otherwise. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I want to do this actually. Okay. So I made this pull request. I need like a smaller version of GitHub. Which I don't know how to do. I don't know how to stream on one display. Basically, I always work with two displays. Can I Twitch like have two streams at once, and you just need two displays? Okay, that might be a little bit overblown. Okay, so I wanted to. So this should be going to on this. And then I only have two files changed. And I think I don't have test cases for setu. So this one is failing. Decrease coverage. Okay. I have no idea. Okay. Where am I? So the point is that I'm going here. Okay, I don't have a test case for it. That's that. Okay. Actually, loading animation. Where does this include Perler noise? I have no clue. Anyway, don't I have something for this? Rotate around. Yeah, so I can just put this in here and need this color animation sneaking in there. And then I have to basically get rid of all the reference animations for this, so they will all change. But I think this should fix that code coverage thing. Okay, how do I think I want to have one where I can do all this, basically. All right, so yeah, what are you up to, guys and girls and everyone in the chat? How's your day going? Cooking and eating, that's perfect. And please tell me if you have any great ideas of having this. Or maybe I should just go full screen code and then switch over. But I have this, okay. And I don't get these parts, so hopefully one day we can fix that. Oh, hi YouTube people. I think you're the first one who comments via YouTube. Nice to see you, A1 mathematic for the English world. using Julia at work. That's great. I want to do that as well when I have work. Let's go GitHub dark theme. Might have tried this before. Chrome stylish. Wait. I think it's this one, right? No. Let me check what I have on my wait. Stylus. Might have tried this before and it didn't look great, but actually it works on my laptop quite well. Oh, can just, oh, okay. That's interesting. It's dark mode, guys. Perfect. I'm happy. So maybe I just do context switching from now on, going full screen. If anybody, so for example, A1, if you have any idea what this means and how do I fix it, please let me know. Because I don't get where this is coming from, whether it's my problem. Am I using the wrong version of images, image core, or whatever? Maybe can just do updates. So anyway, so it does is moving, changing color, moving back. You don't know. That's all right. I think I do just update stuff here. Codes, cuff. Nothing new there. Or nothing that should change this, I suppose. What is the newest version of images? Okay. It should be, when is it? June. I don't know. I can also activate this to up here. Oh, yeah, and I can do, so there was an error in Luxor 2.5, so I removed, I think I want to do this. I removed this, but Chameleon, so the creator of Luxor, fixed that. So this should work now. I can do up again. Looks at 2.5.1. That's great. Allow 2.5.1 of Luxor. So this is because we don't expect really breaking changes from Luxor, just that the user can easily use the news features. That's kind of the idea. And yeah, I don't like that the formatting stuff is taking such a long time. Well, actually, it's starting Julia and using Julia formatter, which takes a long time, I guess. So I should have pushed this. Let us check whether I actually pushed it this time. Okay. This is probably wrong then, but that's okay. Okay, let us have a look at issues. So we just fixed this one. Probably fix this one as I have a branch for that at least. So yeah. Okay. I don't know. It's not priority to fix this bug at the moment for me. What I want to do is, if we have a look at this, so I have this one. I don't want to do refactoring on stream. This one is kind of gone, I think. So what I want to do instead is have some fun. And there can't be more fun than morphing. So let's just hope that this one works out. We get out of this one. We might don't have the features we just implemented yet, implemented because, well, we are in a different branch, but maybe if they pass, we can merge them during the stream. Okay, so morphing version 2. So let's do so yeah, A1, what are you working on with Julia? So we have to downgrade Luxor because it's not in here. Didn't want to change it again there. Do some resolve stuff and hope that it works. Okay. So yeah, basically the current problem with morphing is that it only works for basically an object morphing into another object if they both use the stroke option. But with fill, it does not work. So let's maybe just see an example. Yeah, so one problem is basically we can't, when we can't actually give them a fill at the beginning, I think, because we need this, we are not allowed to have an action for this. So normally you have something like this, but we need the pass. So that's probably the biggest problem that I haven't thought about before starting the stream. Sure, you can also can also just. Are you in the Julia Streamers Discord? And how do I invite you? So with this link, you should be able to join the Streamers Discord. And then I'm currently in my voice channel, speaking there, but we can. Oh, here in the voice channel as well now. Yeah, so every streamer, or probably not every streamer, but a lot of streamers are in there. And I actually use it to stream my audio from my laptop to the desktop machine, which is a bit complicated setup. Anyway, I'm glad that inviting you worked. I really don't know what's wrong with this mouse today. Or maybe it's with barrier, which I also use. Anyway, let's copy this one over to a proper test set or a proper current testing grounds, morphing. So we need using Javis. And I don't want to create images, but I want to create morphing. To see what we currently have. I think that's one of the fast ones. But we will see. How does this work? Anyway, so yeah, and also feel free to just DM me on in the Julia Slack if you're there. Anytime we can discuss stuff and whatnot. Oh, okay. I see. I'm new to Discord. I have like no clue how it works. Didn't know that you can have one-on-one calls. Yeah, let's talk later after the stream. Sure. I might stream for a while though. But yeah. Okay, this is taking a while. So yeah, the point being is, what do I do? This is a weird test. Okay, so I create like just a random circle, which is scaling up with the frame number. Getting, oh, I don't have ground color, by the way. Where do I have ground color? That is returning the frame number. It's not important for morphing, but anyway. Hi, NextM2. Thanks for joining the stream. How's life going? I really enjoy that more people are coming, checking out the stream, by the way. I don't know what happens, but with Jacob's stream as well, there are more people getting in. Normally I had like one viewer and sometimes two or three and declining. But last stream I had some more views, up to 6 or 8 and average 3.5 or whatever. That was quite nice. Maybe it's the Grant Sanderson effect of him doing Julia on the Julia Lang YouTube channel now. Why is this taking so much time, by the way? I know Python as well, yes. I did program most of my stuff in Python before checking out Julia. So about 2.5 years ago, did most of my work in Python. So by the way, this is my blog. So yeah, this failed because ground color wasn't defined. And that means that I have to make a push-up because I got an error. Now everything was fast. Where is my... Yeah, so this is super fast and super weird and whatnot. But some people like it. Let's just remove that weirdness. Go a bit slower maybe, which also takes more time. I know that you like weird stuff. Oh, this is the wrong one, but I like this, so let's watch it once. Okay, so yeah, we have like a star morphing into a circle, and I want to have this including a color inside, like a fill color. But I have like no clue how to do this. I thought it's easy, but I think it's not easy. So if I do this, let's see what happens. Okay, I get an error. That's not good. Oh, because star doesn't. Okay, how does star work? Can I do action equals to fill? Oh, that was stupid. So I think here it works, but here it doesn't. And that's 2 more push-ups, but maybe 3 more, so okay, at least 3 more. 2, 3. Okay, so it doesn't work like this. And sometimes I don't, so I have to specify all of them, I guess. So I have center, I have the radius. I want to have 5 points, ratio 0.5, 0, and action is fill. Come on, what's wrong? Oh, okay, so now it actually is a problem inside the Javis function. So yeah, this stuff doesn't really work, which is weird. because I don't know how to. So basically what it normally does is it's called new pass. Then it calls um, the first function, closes the pass, and creates the new one. The problem is, how do I make it happen that the pass actually gets a color? Oh, by the way, thanks for the follow, Next M2. Really appreciate that. Getting close to 50 now, I think. 47 followers. Yeah, so probably an option is to specify the color in a different way, and kind of hijack it into the morphing function. But the problem there is, is it okay to start with, we only allow one color and then morph the color basically? I think if we only have one pass, then might be an option. So let me explain in more detail of what I mean. Let's just handle one of them. So we have I'm sorry, this is the correct syntax. Basically, we can have color, animation, set hue. I just have to specify that we want to fill it. So this is only user interface stuff, by the way. Now it will not work. But yeah, so the idea is loading animation. Is to basically morph from red over cyan to black. But how do I specify now that I want to use this as fill and not stroke or whatever I wish? Um, um, what would make sense? So I need to reverse this. Let me check the Luxor tutorial on that one. Sure. Ask me about Python. I'm not sure whether I can answer it, but I can try. Wait. Yeah, I do stroke here. I should be able to do fill. Oh. Hey Eval. How's it going? You're going to bed now? Um, that's a good question, Max M2. Think so because it's dynamically typed, there's no real real option. So you basically can check. So do you want to check whether it's an integer or floats? Or are you interested in, like, is it string float or whatever? If that makes sense. Yeah, so what I mean is you can check if you know that it is a number. Oh, hi, the Swiss. Um, yeah, I think what I would do is round and so basically round, if you know it's a number, round the number and check whether it changes, and then you know whether it's an integer or float. That's how I would do it. If that makes sense. Okay. So yeah, maybe I want to have like an action here as well, which is stroke by default. I think there's a way like keywords. No worries, mates. How do I define defaults? Not really. Okay. I don't know whether that makes sense though. And then have this, and then have stroke. I think I need to add this here as well. Okay, and then I'll call action here. No. Yeah. Action there. And I also want to do action. Okay. Now I hope we do this? I use Luxor under the hood, yeah. Do you know Luxor? Then I might need your help in between. Oh. One more. Colors. I think it is. It's an amazing package, yeah. I really like it. Oh. Okay. We need this one. Just to make it work. And yeah, I have a lot of arrows, so probably need to include one more. Wait, let's go here. How many do I have now? 8 to do. Okay. Okay, as that is probably taking a bit of time, let's do that now. Okay, it seems like I will do 9 now. Okay. I don't get the arrow, to be honest. Oh. Draw action. Maybe. Because as you can see, this one is also called an action. So next and two, what are you working on? And also everyone else who joins. Oh, did someone else subscribe? 48 now. Maybe getting to 50 today. That would be great. So what I hope this does is that it draws a star first and then with a red color and moves over to a circle, but I have an arrow. Okay. Oh, I think I have to specify this because the other one is not merged yet. So, the Swiss, have you worked with Luxor before? Oh, damn it. Okay. I think I also fail above. So this should be draw action. But here I want to have action. So I don't know. It's weird. Didn't expect this naming issue. Because the user is kind of more used to action, I think. So I want to keep it that way. Okay. Oh, how about now? And I think this increases the push-up counter. It's not a good date. No. Where am I? Yeah. It does look correct, right? That's how I expected it to be. I'm not sure about the color change. Kind of feels different than last time. But then we had a black background. I know it's not important, but and have default whites. But then we can't see the circle anymore. A bit pointless, I guess. Ill, you're the man of the colors. What color shall I choose to for this one? Am I going to green or some stuff? I know it's super unimportant. Yeah, and it kind of would be nice to just stay there for a bit to actually see what's happening. Which is a bit more complicated. Okay, so the problem is this gets called with, oh wait, oh no, this doesn't get called with anything. So this is not necessary. I can just have action is what is the default one? It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter actually. It shouldn't be none though. Fully or whatever. I think the default. I just want to have the default. Orange to black. Yeah, over any other color or just orange to black. On black background. Yeah. Do you want to have a middle color? Sure. Okay, let's also try whether this breaks. Oh, wait. I think it's like this, as we figured it out, right? It's not. Oh, it's also just like this. Oh. How about that? Looks like a dying star. Okay. Yeah, maybe. So what I wanted to do is maybe have 150 frames. Good. What's happening? Okay. I can't even close this. Okay, somehow my mouse just died everywhere. Okay. What is happening right now? Kind of lost my input of everything. Why is this happening? But also on my laptop. This is really weird. I think I will restart, guys. So give me like 5 minutes. I will restart everything. So I have to cut off the stream. Sorry about that. See you in a bit.